Want to keep your garden looking neat and vibrant? Hi, I'm Nikki, and this is how to trim hedges. Let's get into it. Trimming your hedges regularly can offer some great benefits. By trimming each year, it encourages healthier, thicker and more symmetrical growth of your plants. It also helps to control the shape and size of the hedge, ensuring it doesn't overgrow into surrounding areas, and improves airflow and light penetration, which keeps your plants in top condition. To ensure your hedge is trimmed evenly, it's a good idea to use a string line as a guide. Grab a roll of garden string and 2 stakes. Start by determining the height at which you want the hedge to be trimmed. Then, drive 1 stake into the ground at each end of the hedge, ensuring they're stable and positioned at the same height. Next, tie the garden string to the first stake. Then stretch it across the length of your hedge to the other stake, making sure the string is tight. Tie the string securely to the second stake at the same height. This string will act as your reference to keep the top of the hedge even. Double check your line is straight prior to starting by stepping back. Now that you have the string line set up, you're ready to start trimming. Begin at the bottom and work your way upwards. This technique prevents debris from falling onto parts you've already trimmed, giving you a cleaner, more efficient cut. As you move upwards, keep your trimmer or shears level and try to maintain a consistent angle for a professional finish. When it's time to trim the top, use the string line as a guide to ensure you're cutting straight across. Move your trimmer or shears gently and steadily along the string line to keep everything uniform. Trimming too much can cause stress to the plant, so it's best to cut gradually and evenly. Pay special attention to any overhanging branches or uneven spots. Use your shears to tidy up these areas, making sure to step back occasionally and check the overall shape of your hedge. This helps you catch any bits you might have missed. Once you finish trimming, gather all your cuttings and place them into your green waste bin. This will leave your garden looking neat and tidy without any leftover branches scattered around. And there you have it, neatly trimmed hedges to give your garden that well-kept look. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.